So hey gang, today I want to go over what the laser can do and cannot do. Today we are using the Quillen one, which is my favorite. We are using the BWT 30C. It's got the lift gate on it and everything. But the main thing I want to talk about is people are always asking me, what can it clean, what can it clean, can it do mill scale? So in this particular demo, we have a antique table here that's pretty much steel, and it's got a lot of rust where the tile used to sit in here. We've also got some more over here. The problem is you can see where underneath the tile, the concrete is rusting away at the structure of it. It's got really pretty tiles underneath, but the issue is the rust is so deep on here, it's just starting to corrode. So the issue is the laser can only clean the surface of the substrate. It does not penetrate the surface. So what that means is when you have this rust that's flaky like this, it's not going to penetrate it. Okay, so there is a little labor involved where you do have to get rid of all the big stuff, but still right here it's not going to penetrate it. You can see it's just crumbling, right? Because the laser does no harm. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to brush this off as much as I can, and I'm going to clean this section real quick, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's not going to penetrate past these deals here. So let me get set up and then we'll go. Okay, pause 1 second. All right, here we go. You see how everything's popping? That's because it's putting a lot of heat. Okay? All right, let me turn my fan off, my machine off, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so here's the section that we just cleaned, and I want you to notice something. It looks clean on these parts here, but if you look here, it's not. Okay, this is the perfect example. The laser will only clean the surface. So if you guys are running into problems like this where you've got flaky rust like this, I suggest you hit it with a wire brush first, usually a spinning wheel like on a grinder, before you try to laser it, because you can see obviously right here, and this is, by the way guys, this is worst case scenario. this is stuff I would normally pass on because it's just too much work. I would have them hit it with a wire wheel first, break all this stuff loose, okay, and then I would come back and hit it with a laser, because you're just spinning your wheels, man. You're not doing anything good. Even right here, it's just no good, man. It's no good. You can't clean that. So this part right here, if you ever come to a job where it's got it flaky like this, go ahead and pass, man, because the customer's going to be just furious when you leave and you only clean the surface like this, but as soon as you do this, there's more rust underneath it. See? So yeah. Anyway, that's the demo. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you got questions, reach out to me. Corey, Alien Laser Cleaning.